Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, continuing on with the M-07 concept parts, we have OP1756 or 54756, and it's the M-07 concept aluminium turnbuckle shaft for the steering. So, let's bring in for a close-up look and see how this one goes on. Now, I've raced this a few times and it's a hell of a lot of fun, and I like the way my steering's set up. So, first thing I'm going to do is pop the steering arm off. And then I'm going to get a measurement of it. So we've got 89.76 mil exactly. So this is the only issue that I've really got with this one, is that if you want to adjust it, you've got to pop one of the ends off, and then it's just really awkward to screw it to get the actual thing apart. So I'm going to screw these off and then set about screwing them onto that one. Right, so we've now got this screwed on to be the exact same measurement as the one I took off. So we can just pop that off, and this should pop back into position exactly the same. So there we have it, nice easy quick upgrade, and you can now adjust the actual steering from the turnbuckle. Just a lot more convenient than having to pop one end off and mess around changing it. But let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the adjustable turnbuckle steering link on the M-07 concept, and it's starting to look pretty bling now with carbon bits and the anodised aluminium bits. So thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.